morning. Lord have mercy. I said I was going to take a nap down here and then get to work with cleaning because I've been a delinquent when it comes to doing weekly cleaning. Luckily, the place is not dusty or dirty. I'm gonna do that real quick because your girl has a seriously long day today and it's gonna be packed with a lot of things, and God go with me. This time it looks like I'm the one who's late, so I'm gonna shower and then comb my hair. I wanted to wash it, but it's not gonna happen now, at least no. So hopefully if I come back from ballet early before I go to my parents' house, I will try to wash it real quick. I wanted to cane it back so I can wear my wig because your girl has just been plaiting it and holding it back and hoping to God that it stays, but I realized that it's like lifted. It's not flat as I would want it, so the wig just looks like, yeah, you're wearing a wig. Okay, I'm getting anxious. Guys, I'm gonna catch you back when I'm in the car.
I'm waiting to get through at the ATM, and tell me why this person is taking a day and a half. I was in the car trying to find my card, and for heaven's sake, he's still in the ATM. I guess this is what I'll get when I'm rushing. I just have to learn patience.
Finally, I get through. Thank you.
Oh my God! Hey Lord, please take me safely. Let there be no red lights and let me be. Jesus! I'm supposed to be reversing and put the car in park. Why? Okay. Dear Lord, when I reach there, I reach there. When I reach there, I reach there. When I reach there, I will reach there, okay? If this person will just move up in the lane and drive like they have purpose. You know what? Let's not get miserable because I'm late. Let's not get miserable. Ah! Drive like you're going somewhere, no sir. Oh my God. Oh my gracious Lord. Why are we fighting for our lives in these streets every day?
Just came back. I'm supposed to finish washing and cleaning up the place, but I haven't because time ran out on me. But I'm gonna really try. I'm also supposed to take my stuff with me so I can get ready for my friend's party / dinner / get together at my parents' house because we're not going to have the time. Let me just get together my things, put them in a bag. Hopefully the Christmas tree does not take as long as I think it's going to take, and we can get to my friend's party in time. I'll get back on and get ready, and I am on my way to my parents' house. We were supposed to leave like decades ago, but here we are, running late. Everybody seemed to be running late. The thing was supposed to start at 2:30, but she messaged and said, hey, we're running late, so it's going to be 3 o'clock, 3:30. So that means 3:34 in Jamaican time, so everything kind of works out. So I'm not even going to complain that everybody's running late. So we're heading to the parents' house right now, and I'll catch you guys when we reach. Can you tell that I missed outside? Like from I came, I've been outside just basking in the sun and taking in the greenery and the nature. Like, oh, I miss this. I'm gonna start coming here more often because we're setting up for our uncle's birthday today. Oh, this evening. And let me show you guys around. So the bar is over here, and then of course you have the pool, and then this is the area that people are going to be eating, and you have the food tent over there. So it's an outside party. Yeah. And in the night time it's gonna look epic because most of these trees, no, not these trees, but most of these are lit. So it's gonna come alive. I'm so excited. Late again. I need to hurry up and get ready, put on my dress, and shove out because I'm already late. I'm never doing this again. Let me point this out. I never even got to put on no foundation. I just said, hey, do my eyes and put on lipstick and put on a dress. In the meantime, Sam just has to put on a shirt and he's fine. That is just so hard for females. Yeah. So ladies and gentlemen, we are need for speeding through Kingston because we are going to a
birthday party
in the middle.
We're 45 minutes late for.
In the middle of the day, Saturday peak hours, and this is a thing. But Sam is just on vibes because he just had to put on a t-shirt.
I made sure to pre-game before I went there, so I'm completely fine.
And I am dead ass hungry. Like I am dead hungry and sober. So I'm just like, anything can get me miserable at this point. Anything that can get me miserable. So Sam is my opposite.
Spirit animal.
Yeah, and they say opposites attract for some strange reason. So this is what's up. We're on our way, and then we're going to go back to the parents' house. Hopefully we can get the Christmas tree done by then.
No, we have to paint it after.
No, but that's at 6 o'clock.
So you hope that we can leave before, so you go back and then to the tree and then meet them at the paint and Whoop.
Because the thing is that it was supposed to start at 2:30, and I had hoped that it started at 2:30, but here we are going to the thing at 4 o'clock.
It was postponed to 3 o'clock, but we're going for 4.
Because Jamaican people...
Because we know that they're going to turn up at 3:30.
Yeah.
3:45.
Yeah.
So we're hoping that by the time we get there, everything is sort of in full swing for us just to move on and know what we're doing.
Because at first I was like, why on earth would you have something at 2:30 and then the next thing at 6? I'm guessing that like some persons that go to the 2:30 won't go to the 6 o'clock. Oh, this lighting looks amazing. Please. Sorry. This is how people get distracted in this. But yeah, we hope that, maybe the person's going at 2:30, not going to 6 o'clock. But I was like, hey, we have a window to do stuff in between that, but here we are.
going to do something at 4. So we might not have the time. And then when we reach for the paint and sip at 6 o'clock, we won't be able to sing the Christmas tree because the thing at the house starts at 7.
8 o'clock. Nobody's gonna get there for 7 o'clock. Besides the Americans, which are gonna just be chilling and talking with the family. But the Jamaicans won't get there for 7, for sure. 7:30 earliest.
Yeah. So catch you guys back when we reach it. I'm making a conscious effort to vlog. Not you proud of me. Silence means consent.
Okay, let's see how this goes. We have a dinner to go to and then paint and sip and then a whole party, so
yeah.
We'll catch up with you guys at the end of the end of the first milestone.
Yeah. Festive.
Festive. Today.
Festive.
Me, $7,000. $7,000.
Happy birthday to you. I'm not gonna sing some more, okay? No, man. How old are you now? Alright, I'm going on my candles. I did. Look how I'm doing now. 3, 30, 29. What would I do for this bus?
Everyone to the home of Paint and Sip Jamaica. Yeah. It's indeed a pleasure having each and every one of you here. Not for drinking purposes. Please, people drink our water. Don't be a statistic. Oof. Alright, don't overdo the paint. Let's take out what you need. Alright, so let me show you how much we're using, and I'm using a medium brush to take out the paint.
On behalf of the birthday boy on December the 11th, and he has been living it up.
I'm so tired. But we go outside and we what? Wow.
Oye, vamos a tirar una vez más. Miguelito.
You look so nice though.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dale hasta abajo, baby, no hay más nada. Vamos despacito que te voy a guayar. Dice, taqui, 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 taqui.
Yes, you are. Because this is the second person that was going to drop.
Thank you. Oh my goodness, what a night. So I am going to head home. I'm so tired. It is now like 2:30. My mommy gave me roses. Yeah, so it's 2:30 and we are heading home.
Oye, ponte pa' mi mami, dale pa' atrás. Le damos bien duro hasta la mañana. Dale mamita con todo lo que da, gritando mi nombre.